Hello students, Namaste. How are you all? Hope all of you are well. Today we are going to discuss class 7 maths exercise 2.2 question number 5. In the previous video I had explained you about the same exercise 2.2 question number 3 and 4. I hope all of you understand. If you are having any doubt related to that question number 3 and question number 4, please drop your doubt into the comment box section. So I will do the instant solutions there only in the comment box section, but if you don't know, then I will explain in the next video. So if you are not able to understand any of the question, then please request in the comment box section so I can explain you in the next video. So today we are going to solve question number 5 of exercise 2.2. Question number 5 is find the following. Yes, so question number 5 is find. Okay, what we have to find? Question A. Question A is 1 by 2 of 24. 1 by 2 of 24. What is the meaning of here? Can you tell me? 1 by 2 of 24 and 1 by 2 of 46. There are two questions, okay? So here you can see 5th A, there are question number first and question number second. So I am just telling you, instead of you have to write the multiplication, okay? So what you will write here? 1 by 2 into 24. 12 2s are 24, right? So the answer is 12. Got it? Second question is 1 by 2 of 46, means 1 by 2 into 46. 23 2s are 46. So the answer is 23. Got it? So this was our A answer. Now we are finding B answer, right? So B question is 2 by 3 of 2 by 3 of 2 by 3 of how much? 2 by 3 of 80 and 2 by 3 of 47. Right? So what you will do? 2 by 3 of means you are going to do multiply. Multiply means 2 by 3 into 18. So 18 comes in 3 table? Yes. 3 6 are 18. 2 6 are 12 answer. Right? Now 2 by 3 of 47. 2 by 3 of 47 means of means multiplication, right? So instead of what we are going to do? We are going to write multiply, right? Multiply 47. Do 47 comes in 3 table? No. Not possible. 7 4 11. 11 is not divisible, right? So directly what we have to do? So 7 2s are 14 and 4 2s are 8 1 9. 94 by 3. Do 94 comes in 3 table? Not possible. If you want to write like this, if you want to convert into the mixed fraction, then you can do like this. 3 3s are 9 and 3 1s are 3. So this is the mixed fraction form. Got it? If you don't want to write the mixed fraction, then either you can write 94 by 3 or you want to write the 31 into 1 by 3. So that is also mixed fraction and this is improper fraction. So this was our B answer. Now we are moving towards the C question. Our C question is 3 by 4 of 60. 3 by 4 of 60. What is the meaning of this question? 3 by 4 into 16. 16 comes in 4 table. 4 4s are 16 and 3 4s are 12. And the second one is, this is your second one. What is the C second question? 3 by 4 of 36. 3 by 4 of 36. What is the meaning of this question? 3 by 4 into 36. 36 comes in the 4 table. 4 9s are 36 and 9 3s are 27. So you can see here till C we have solved. Is there any doubt related to C? If you are having any doubt till C, then you can say to me. Otherwise we'll move towards the D question also. Till D only in this question is there. So D is 4 by 5 of 20. D question is 4 by 5 of 20. 4 by 5 of 20. What is the meaning of this question? 4 by 5 into 20. 20 comes in 20 comes in 5 table. 5 4s are 20 and 4 4s are 16 answer. And the last D second question is 4 by 5 of 35. 4 by 5 of 35. So 4 by 5 into 35. 35 comes in 5 table. 5 7s are 35. 4 7s are 28. Got it? So do you have any doubt related to these questions? A, B, C, D. If you are having any doubt, then you can say me or you can drop your doubt into the comment box section. So I will be able to answer. Okay, just suppose if here it will be 27, so it will be divisible. Suppose, just suppose, instead of this 47, if I just want to write here 27, okay, so what will be the answer, can you tell me? Instead of this 47, if I want to write here 27, okay, so 2 by 3 of 27 means 2 by 3 into 27, 3 9s are 27, 9 2s are 18 will be the answer. So you can see here 12, 12, 12, 16, 23, 18, 27, 28. Got it? Is there any doubt? See, any number if off is there, okay, then what you have to do, you have to just do multiply. Got it? If you are having any doubt related to this question number 5, any number will be there. Just remember the process, okay? What you have to remember? Just remember the process. And finally, as you remember the process, you get all the answers. Now can we move to question number 6? Multiply and express as a mixed fraction. Our question number 6 is multiply and express as a mixed fraction. I hope all of you have known about this question. If you want to write into notebook, then you can write, otherwise you can take a screenshot. Okay, so now I am going to start question number 6. Is it okay? Yeah. What is question number 6? Multiply and express as a mixed fraction. Question number 6. Multiply and express as a mixed fraction. As a mixed fraction. Question number 1. 3 into 5 into 1 by 5. 3 into 5 into 1 by 5. Question number B. 5 into 6 into 3 by 4. Very nice questions. I hope all of you know how to solve. 7 into 2 into 1 by 4. Question D. 4 into 6 into 1 by 3. Question E. 3 into 1 by 4 into 6. The last question. 3 into 2 by 5 into 8. Yes? See, all the questions are right. 5 into 6 into 3 by 4, 7 into 2 into 1 by 4, 4 into 6 into 1 by 3, 3 into 1 by 4 into 6, 2, 3 into 2 by 5 into 8. Okay, now what we have to do? We have to multiply and express as a mixed fraction. First of all, you have to solve this following. How you will solve? You have to convert this mixed fraction into fraction. 3 into 5 5s are 25 plus 1, 26 by 5, right? So you can write here 6 3s are 18 and 3 2s are 6 1 7, 78 by 5. If you will divide 78 by 5, so 5 1s are 5, 28, 5 5s are 25, 3 remainder. Got it? So by this way you can solve the following. First of all, you have to break this mixed fraction into a proper fraction or improper fraction. After then you have to multiply this both number, and after then you have to solve into a mixed fraction. What the question wants to say, after multiplying you have to express each of the following as a mixed fraction, as I have done with the first one. You can see in the first one what I have done. First of all, I have multiplied. Similarly, you have to just break this 5 into 6 4 ja 24, 24 plus 3 27 by 4, right? Now we have to multiply. 5 sevens are 35, 3, 5 2s are 10 plus 3, 13 upon 4. Got it? 6 4s are 24 plus 3, 27 by 4, and 5 into 27, 135. 5 sevens are 35, 3, 5 2s are 10 plus 3, 13 by 4. Now you have to divide this 135 by 4, 35 by 4. So 4 3s are 12, 15, 4 3s are 12, 3 by 33 into 3 by 4. Got it? Now see here, 7 into 2 by 4. So 7 into 4 2s are 8 plus 1, 9 by 4. 7 9s are 63 by 4. So 4 1s are 4, 23. So 23, 24 comes. So 7 3s, 7 4s are 28, 6 4s are 24, 5 4s are 23. So 5. Right? Yes. Now see here, 4 into 6 3s are 18 plus 1, 19 by 3. 19 4s are, can anybody tell me what is the value of 19 4s are? 19 1s are 19, 19 2s are 38, 19 3s are 57, 19 4s are 76, right? So 76 by 3. So 3 2s are 6, 16, 3 5s are 50, right? Now you can see this, 3 4s are 12 are 13 upon 4 into 6. 13 6 are, anybody know 13 table? If you don't know table, not an issue, you can multiply. 6 3s are 18, 1, 6 1s are 6 1, 7, 78 by 4. So 13 6 are 78? Yes. 4 1s are 4, 38, 4 9s are 36, 2 by 3. Right? And the last one, 3 5s are 15 plus 2, 17 upon 5 into 8. 8 7s are 56, 5, 8 1s are 8 plus 5, 13, 136 by 5. So if you want to divide 5 2s are 10, 5 7s are 35, 1 by 5. Got it? So you have seen what I have done. I have just done multiplication and expressed into a mixed fraction. So first of all, you just check all your answers. That first one is 15 into 3 by 5. Second one is 33 into 3 by 4. Third one is 15 into 3 by 4. Fourth one is 25 into 1 by 3. Fifth one is 19 into 1 by 2. Sorry, yes. See here, instead of this 4, here we can write 4, right? 4 1s are 4, 38, 4 9s are 36, 2. Now can we write instead of 2 by 4, 4 1s, 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4. So can we write here 19 into 1 by 2? Yes. So it can be written as 19 into 1 by 2, and the last one is 27 into 1 by 5. So as you have seen here, we have solved our question number 6. If you are still having any doubt related this video, see, first of all, what you have to do, you have to just change this mixed fraction into fraction. After changing mixed fraction into fraction, you have to do the multiplication. After doing the multiplication, then again you have to convert. If you don't know how to convert, then just suppose here 78 divided by 5, right? 78 divided. So 5 1s are 5, 7 minus 5 2, 8 28, 5 5s are 25. Now you can see here 8 minus 5 3, 2 minus 1. So this is the quotient. Quotient we write in the between, and then this 3 remainder we write as a numerator, and this divisor we write as a denominator. Got it? So if you are having any doubt related this video, if you don't know any multiplication, you don't know any division, then you can just inform me. I will solve in the next video. That's all for today. I hope all of you have understand question number 5 and question number 6. If you are still having any doubt, please drop your doubt into the comment box section. And if you have liked this video, then don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. That's all for today. Thank you.